ASCII characters experienced in the UART serial window of Kyle IDE. This is the UART block diagram, right? This is the UART block diagram. UART is a full duplex serial communication protocol. Some 20 to 2F is special symbol. From 30 to 39, from 30 to 39, it is numbers. Similarly, all the uppercase letter. What is uppercase letter? Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. For capital A, it is 41. Okay. For capital A, it is 41. So let it be 31 instead of 31. Let me change it as 41. Right? So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 30, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 49, 4A. It's not 50 because all are hexadecimal. 4A. Sorry. 49. Here it has to be 0x0D, which is carriage return. We are not interested in carriage return. We are interested in line feed. Line feed. Okay. So 14, let me check A, B, C, D. Some 16 characters will come. Let us see. Debug start. Let us do this. Uppercase letter. 41 means uppercase, as I told you, no? 41. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. Okay. So A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. Up to G, H, I has come. G, H, I. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. T. Like that it goes on, right? That you understand very well, right? When it is 41, it is uppercase. When it is 61, it is lowercase. You see, it's very interesting, right? So this itself has a lot of things to learn. So you can see 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So let it be, instead of 40, let it be 60, where you can celebrate much better. So even you are doing itself a lot more to celebrate. That's what I am requesting you all to celebrate. Unless otherwise it is just you are to you wrote. So 61 to 69, small a, lowercase a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so by pressing caps lock, if you press the capital letter A, 41 will go. Okay, now you see, we will do it like that. So 41, then 61, 42, then 62, 43, then 63, 44, 16. இப்போ ஒரு அப்பர் கேஸ் ஒரு லோயர் கேஸ், ஒரு அப்பர் கேஸ் ஒரு லோவர் கேஸ் இருக்கு. இது பண்ணலைன்னா யூசர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லினஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. யூசர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லினஸ் இருந்தா தான் எம்பெடட் சிஸ்டத்துல கஸ்டமர் ரீச் பண்ண முடியும். இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிற சூழ்நிலையில யூசர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லினஸ்ங்கிறது எப்படி சாத்தியம்? சீரியல் விண்டோல தான் சாத்தியம், ஆஸ்கி மூலியமா தான் சாத்தியம். அதனால தான் நான் இதை சொல்றேன். 41 61. அப்ப 41 61, 41 கேபிட்டல் ஏ, 61 ஸ்மால் ஏ. சரிங்களா? ஸ்மால் ஏ. 42 கேபிட்டல் பி. 41 means capital A. 61 ASCII values small a. 42 means capital B. 62 means small b. That is lowercase b. You can see this. A, B, B, C, C, D, E, I. So why I in between? Because it is 69. So fantastic. So this intelligence was most widely used in MS Word. So now all the characters were selected. All the characters which in the screen was selected means I ASCII value got selected, N ASCII value got selected, and communication here A is there, no? This for this A 41 will get selected. So that string of characters is got selected. Its ASCII value got selected. When I press Shift F3, I am pressing Shift F3. All the uppercase letter has become lowercase letter, like introduction to communication protocol. You can try this, which is quite interesting. So again, when I press Shift F3, it will become title case. Again, if I press Shift F3, it will become uppercase. So uppercase, all the uppercase letters has become all the lowercase letter when I press Shift F3. Like this, as you see in the screen. This is because the selected ASCII characters in the selected ASCII characters, yes, sir. So 20 is added, right? So 41 is capital A. When you add 21, when you add hexadecimal 20, it will become 61. And then it will get displayed. Hope you understand. When it is capital A, with respect to this MS Word, behind the screen, the hexadecimal value, what will be there? For capital A, you see, for this capital A, let us take this as reference. Let us take this as a reference. When you take this capital A, for this capital A, 41 is there in the array. When I press Shift F3, 20 will be added to the selected character. So 41 plus 20, it will become 61, and 61 will get displayed. So 61's ASCII equivalent is small a. You can see capital A, small a, capital A, small a. Shift F3. So this intelligence, ASCII intelligence, are available even in MS Word also. If you are good in ASCII, if you are good in serial communication, if you are good in this, you can do much wonders in MS Word also, and you can do much wonders in the embedded system serial communication also. Okay, Shift F3. I do not know how many of you have experienced this. Shift F3, adding this. Now it has become lowercase letter, right? It has become lowercase letter. How the lowercase letter becomes uppercase letter? By subtracting 20 from the ASCII characters. Like this, it's happening. So the ASCII is very important. Justified in all possible ways. Justified in all possible ways. So hope this presentation made all of us to understand the ASCII values as best as possible. Okay, finally, to conclude, we can type all the ASCII characters by using some code. Let us try this. So just keep on transmitting this. Let us check whether it is working or not. If it works, then we can able to see all the ASCII characters in the screen. You can see all the ASCII characters in the screen. Let us check this. So this is serial window. You're able to see all the ASCII characters are getting displayed. Here you can see the serial window where all the ASCII characters are getting displayed. Exclamation mark, starting from exclamation mark, which is 0, 0. There are some spaces, right? These spaces are 0, 0 to 20. So the form feed, line feed comes here. And starting from the exclamation mark symbol to, you can see the numbers, then again the special symbols, then uppercase letters from 41 to thing, then lowercase letters, then again special symbols, then all other signals. It goes on. It goes on and on and on and on. All the ASCII characters are getting displayed here. Hope you are able to see this.